Hello everyone, welcome to Eby George channel. My name is Eby George. You are welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve this beautiful natural looking wig style. This particular style will cost you like really nothing. Like, I use half a pack of attachment braiding hair to achieve this style. So guys, if you want to know how I achieve this style, keep on watching. So guys, this is the particular wig cap I used for the style. You can use any wig cap of your choice. Okay, this is just like the stocking wig cap, just like just that this one is in net. Okay, put it down on your mannequin head like so, then sew down this very part. Now if you're using the cap that is already covered at the top, you don't have to go through this process, but if you're using this particular cap, you have to stitch up this particular side.
His body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me.
So guys, when you're done with that, the next thing is to grab the particular hair you'll be working with. Now, like I said before, I used just half pack of attachment braiding hair to achieve the style. It was a leftover from my previous video. I just brought out half pack of attachment, then cut it into two, and here it is. So I went ahead to crochet the attachment braiding hair on the pack like so. Now I'll allow you to watch through, like it's clear. Now while I was crocheting, if you look closely, you will notice, number one, I'm not crocheting in every single hole. I am not, and secondly, I'm not crocheting in one hole. Like, I grab like 3 or 4 hole and then I crochet it twice. I double knot it so that it won't lose while you're working.
You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl.
So guys, when you're done crocheting the hair, the next thing to do is to coil the hair. Now this is the rollers I use to coil the hair. Now you can either use this or this particular one, whichever one you have at home. You can use it to achieve this beautiful style. So guys, to coil it, first of all, you have to make sure the hair is properly combed, then section the parts you will be working with, then use a clip to pull the hair through, like to hold the hair down so that it will come your way while you are coiling the hair. Okay, now comb through, then section. I think this is much. Section it out more, then grab your rollers, then roll through like so. Now this rollers is a very easy rollers to use. You just roll through, then use the cover, and then you clip it like so, and that's it. Like it's the easiest rollers I've ever used. Like I love these rollers. Like it's so easy and it makes your work very fast.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She did murder me. This body.
Now to use this particular rollers, it comes with this. Just attach this to the head like so. Okay, then grab the hair and then you roll through like so. This one is nice too. This rollers is nice too, but I think I prefer the first rollers. Reason being that the first one is very easy and fast. Even while I am bringing out the rollers, the first one was very easy to removed than the second one, so I prefer using this first rollers. But you can, the both will also give you same results, but I prefer this first one. So after curling the hair, pour hot water on top of the hair like so. Like I use a very boiling hot water, and then I pour inside a bowl and allow it sit inside the bowl for like 15 minutes. Then I air dry it, and then your hair is ready.
His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come.
So guys, this is the wig all dried up. I think it's already dried this very place, so I use this hair mousse, then apply on top of this. Is not, you can, if you don't have this, you can skip it. It's not really that important in this style. You just use a hair mousse. This helps in keeping the coils for a very long time. Okay, if you don't have it, you can still do without that, but if you have it, use a hair mousse, anyone you have at home, to apply on the hair, and that's it. After doing that, you go ahead and remove the rollers from the hair like so. Like very easy to remove. That is why I love these rollers. Can you see? Just bring it out, and that is it. Very easy to remove.
You a murder me. You a murder me. You a murder me. She said she want murder.
For this particular rollers, just watch closely and see how to remove this. Like as you can see, you have to unroll the style, you see, then roll it back again with your hand. Like this one have more work on, but the other rollers is very easy. Just open it and that's it. But this one, bringing it out is like spoiling the hair if you are not careful. Now I cannot pull through, reason being that the rollers is not smooth. You can't pull through at all, so I advise you use this other rollers I use to achieve the style. Now after taking down the coils, the style is ready, like the wig is ready. So guys, I went ahead to wear the hair on my hair to see how it looks on me, and I really love the outcome. Okay, so guys, tell me what you think about the style. I went ahead with the scarf to switch it up a little bit and know and see how it will looks on me, and I love the outcome. Come on, what do you think? What do you think about this style? It looks so natural. Yeah, I know that it looks so natural and very easy to do. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching till now. I hope you learned one or two. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel, and also click on the notification button to know when I upload new videos. I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. And bye.